Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and today we gonna talk about how to start coding in 6 steps. Uh, so let's start. The first one is to take online courses. Learning to code no longer requires a classroom settings. Today there are thousands of online programming courses that cover everything from basic HTML to data structure to complex algorithms. You find courses should your first course should introduce the basis of language and contain interactive models and enzymes to guide your language. Courses provide structure to learning, which is essential as concepts in programming science build off each other, and organized courses keeps everything digestible and ensures you are learning things in the correct order. Popular free courses provides include Free Code Camp, VPS Schools, and Harvard's acclaimed Introduction to Computer Science courses uh, available on and the CS50 YouTube channel. This option and the great for determining early on whether you're ready to invest the time to learn a particular language. There are also plenty of paid courses available for the fraction of what in-person classes will cost you. Code Academy, Coursera, and the Udacity cover a wide range of beginners in their determined Code Academy courses, and Udacity cover a wide range of beginners, intermediate and advanced CS topic. Some paid services even offer some free courses on trials if you want to get feel for their teaching approach before paying. The second tip is to watch video tutorials. You have probably watched YouTube tutorial or two. Why not do the same for coding? You. While online courses are your best bet for hands-on experience, online videos can supplement your learning and copy your curiosity. My personal favorites include Crash Course Computer Science, Tom's Cons as a basis, both of which cover broader topics in computing. I also recommend aforementioned Harvard CS50 course, and there is no shortage of the computer science lectures on YouTube. Read books and e-books. Prefer an old school approach. Pick up a book on a beginner language of choice. Book will introduce you to the fundamental concepts and inform you coding. There are some establishment text for uh, each recommended beginners language. For HTML and CSS, a beginner guide to HTML and CSS for marketers, JavaScript, eloquent JavaScript, a modern introduction to programming, Python crash course, C programming, absolute beginner's guide, C++, primer, Java effective, Java. Mm, complete coding projects. Programming is learned by doing. There is no way around it. You can read up on all the concepts and things necessary to write functional code. But unless you put what you learn into practice, the ideas won't fully materialize in your mind. That is where projects come in. A project is any program or website built with your language of choice. When starting out, keep projects short term. If you are taking a course, you may be assigned project designed to solidify a concept. If you are taking a course, I don't know, there are also loads of beginners programming projects you can attempt on your own. Some classic projects include a time converter in which a user submits a number of seconds and your programming device the equivalent in hours, minutes, days, a random number generator which produces a random number between two values specified by the user, a calculator in which the user specifies these inputs and materialize operation and here gives an output, an address book in which user can submit contact names and search for contact stored in your program, and alphabetize in which the user provides a list of words to and your program sorts them in alphabetical order. A hangman game in which the user tries to guess a hidden word by inputting letters and your game provides feedback for correct or incorrect guess. Once the user gets all of the letters to your word, then win. A quick Google search will reveal even more many challenging that requires you to apply skills to real problems. On top of practicing concepts, projects provide more benefit to your learning. First, they will keep you motivated. Project help solidify the why behind your coding and set clear training benchmarks for your programs. Each completed project means one more skill under your belt. As I was learning, this was very encouraging. Second, coding projects, especially long-term ones, provide something to show for your work. It's one thing to put Python on the resume. It's another to show you built an entire website or application from scratch. Projects are a must for entire level programming jobs as a pro competency in given language. Uh, when embarking on long-term projects, these things of you are willing to invest time into, whether it's a personal website, a mobile application, or a desktop tool, you will encounter an unprecedented amount of speed bumps along the way. Choosing a project you truly enjoy, you care about, ensures you follow another great way to find project is by freelancing. You don't need to be an expert programmer to build a useful tool for someone. Reach out to a friend, family member, or local businessman in need of a tool or website that you can make for free. It's win-win. Uh, the fifth is a find a mate and earn community, and the six is to consider enrolling in a coding bootstrap. A coding bootstrap is a shorter term training program that packs a comprehensive coding curriculum into a period of several months. These programs are designed to be fast paced, impressive knowledge for development case. Uh, so, today we discussed six mm steps to become a programmer. It's all for today. See you in the next videos. Bye.